Good afternoon, everyone. This is Teacher Belle once again, and welcome to my practical English lesson. For today, we will have another set of sample tests for our Cambridge English qualifications 3A1 starters assessment. So let's move on. Okay, our objective once again is to be able to learn vocabularies in the sample tests. When you say vocabularies, it means, okay, we will learn some words, so new words for our pupils. Next, to be able to answer the sample test correctly with some guidelines. All right, so let's start. Okay, we have our part one once again. Okay, so it says here, reading and writing, part one. So we have 5 questions. Look and read. Okay, it says put a tick or a cross in the box. There are 2 examples. So we have, okay, first example, this is a polar bear. Okay, is this a polar bear? No, it isn't. Okay, so what is this animal? Yeah, we learned this. It's a giraffe. So let me write it. Okay, so you will say it's a, okay, I'm sorry, giraffe, right? Okay, let's move on. This is a shop. Is this a shop? Right, it is. A shop is a place wherein you buy like food, or like, for example, a bake shop, a clothing store, or a clothing shop. So where you buy something. So it's a shop. Okay, let's move on. What about this? Okay, this is a skirt. Is this a skirt? Do you think it's a skirt? No, it isn't. It's not a skirt. So how do you call this one? Yes, you're correct. This is a jacket. So it's not a skirt. You have to cross it. It's a jacket. This one is a jacket, right? It's a blue jacket. Okay, so that is the first question. Let's move on to the second one. So let's read. These are dolls. Are these dolls? Yes, they are. So all you need to do is to put a tick mark. Okay. So let's move on. What about the next one? It says, this is a bus. All right, is this a bus? Yes, it is. So all you need to do, okay, is to put a tick mark again. It means yes. What about number 4? Let's have the description. These are apples. Are these apples? No, they aren't. So what are they? They are eggs, right? They are eggs. So all you need to do is to cross it, okay? So what about number 5? Let's read it. This is a food. Is it a food? Yes, it is. It's a food. When you say food, it's only one. If we have our two, okay, say 2 feet. 2 feet. One foot, right? Okay. So, all right, that's the end of the part 1. So let's move on to the next part of our sample test. We have 5 questions once again, and this is our picture scene. It says here, look and read, write yes or no. So this is a scene picture. Where do you think it is? Do you think this is in a river or in a pond? No, it isn't. So where is it? This is in a beach, right? Or seaside. Okay, beach or seaside. So let's read. Okay, let's have the examples. The boy has got an ice cream. Can you see a boy who has got an ice cream? Yeah, I can see here. All right, there is a boy, okay, and he's wearing green shirt and sunglasses and a hat. So you will say yes. Next, the man is flying a kite. All right, can you see someone who's flying a kite? No, I can't see. So you will say no. All right. Okay, so those are the examples. Let's move on to the questions. Let's have question 1. Question 1, it says, the lizard is sitting under the tree. Okay, here. Yeah, this is a lizard. Is the lizard sitting under the tree? Is he sitting under the tree? No, he's not sitting, but he's climbing the tree, right? Yeah, he's not sitting under the tree. He's climbing the tree. So you have to put no. Okay. So wait a sec. All right. Let's just try to erase it. This is actually, let's write no. Okay. It's not sitting under the tree, but it's actually climbing the tree. Climbing. What about number 2? The young girl is playing on the sand, right? Can you see a young girl playing on the sand? Yes. Okay, so all you need to do is to write yes here. Okay, good. So number 3, there is some bread between the pineapple and the grapes. There is some bread, yeah, I can see, between a pineapple and the grapes. Yeah, I can see. Okay, so all you need to do is to say yes. Okay, good job. And let's move on to number 4. It says, the young girl's t-shirt is green and white. Okay, young girl's t-shirt is green and white. I can't see it. Yeah, okay. What is she wearing? She's wearing blue, right? So all you need to do is to write, okay, let me remove it. Okay, you have to write the word. Okay, no, because she isn't wearing green and white. She's wearing blue and white, right? Okay, let's move on to number 5. There are a lot of shells in the water. So where are the shells in the water? Let's see. Can you see shells? No, I can't see shells. So let's say no. Okay, no shells. Okay, we learned shells in our previous class, right? Okay, like seashells. There are no shells here. Okay, so let's move on. Let's read again. Number 1, the lizard is sitting under the tree. So, is it sitting? No, it's not sitting. What is it doing? It's climbing the tree, climbing. Number 2, the young girl is playing on the sand. Is she playing on the sand? Yes. There is some bread between this pineapple and the grapes. Can you see it? Yeah, I can, right? So we have to say yes. Next one. Number 4, the young girl's t-shirt is green and white. Is it green and white? The young girl? I can see it. I can see it, okay? She's wearing blue and white, right? And number 5, there are a lot of shells in the water. Can you see shells? I cannot see any, so it's actually no. Okay, so that's the part 2. Let's move on to part 3 this time. It says here, look at the pictures, look at the letters, write the words. So all we need to do is to unscramble the letters and make a word. So here our topic is of food and drinks. So we have an example. Okay, this one you can see. This is a milk. Milk. We drink milk every day. Milk. So you say M-I-L-K, right? Milk. Next, we have, what is this again? Do you know this? Yeah, it's like lemon, all right, but it's actually smaller than lemon. How do you call this? Fruit. Yeah, it begins with letter L. So it's L-I-M-E. You're correct. So how do we write L-I-M, okay, and letter, sorry, E. Okay, so how do we call it? It's a lime. Lime, right? And what about this one? We learned this. It's a kind of vegetable. So you have to unscramble and make a word. You're correct. It's an onion. Okay, it's correct. It's an onion. Good. So let's move on. What about the next one? Number 3. What about this? You're correct. It's a juice. Juice. I like drinking juice. It's juice. Okay. What about this? What is this? It's an orange. Yeah, it's easy. This is actually an orange. So all you need to do is to write it orange, right? Okay, and what about this? What is this? It's a what's the name of this one? You're correct. It's a pineapple. So it's a pineapple. All right, okay, so we have to write it. Okay, so we've learned some words today. We have lime. Okay, so when you say it's a lime, it's like a lemon, but the color is actually green. It's a lime. And we have the word onion. We have the word juice, orange, and pineapple. Okay, so that's the end of the part 3. Let's move on to part 4. Okay, part 4. Okay, there are like 5 questions again. It says here, choose the word from the box. So this is the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There is one example. So our topic, okay, the story is about trees. Okay, so let's read the story. Okay, but before that, let's move on first with the example with the vocabularies in the box. So we have brown, it's a color brown, girls, burger, spiders, green, picture, garden, and house. So let's move on to the story. It says here, trees are very big. They are brown and, okay, so we have to cross out the word brown. And the trees, okay, you can see, yeah, this one, it's actually color brown. How do you call this? It's like the trunk. It's the trunk of a tree, right? And this one, The leaves are color. Very correct. Okay, so we have to write the color green here. So let me write it. Green. Okay. Trees are very big. They are brown and green. Let's move on. You find trees in a park or a... Where do you find trees? In a park, yeah? And where else? Can you find them in a house, inside your house? Or can you find them where? Yeah, it's here. It's very obvious. So there is a word garden. So we also can find trees in a garden. So you just need to write the word garden. Okay, so let's try. Okay, doodle the word garden. Okay, good. So it says here, you do not find them in a room in a what, where? Yeah, you can't find trees inside your house. So you have to write here the word house because there are no trees inside our houses. They are outside our houses. Let's move on. Birds, small animals, and what else? Okay, trees. Which animals live in the trees? Okay, so birds. We can see a bird here. Small animals. Okay, like maybe spiders. And spiders. Yeah, okay. There are like some spiders that live on a tree. So you say spiders, right? You just need to write spiders. Okay, boys and, right, it's correct. Okay, so all you need to do is boys and girls like sitting under the trees when it's hot. So that's the story. Now let's read the story once again. Trees are very big. They are brown and green. You find trees in a park or a garden. You do not find them in a room in a house. Birds, small animals, and spiders live in them. Boys and girls like sitting under trees when it's hot. So that's the story about trees. I hope you understood and you learned the vocabularies. You do these exercises on your own at home. Okay, let's move on. Part 5. Okay, we still have 5 questions. So this is the picture scene. It says, look at the pictures and read the questions. Write one word answers. One word, not 2, only 1. There are 2 examples. Example 1. How many cars are there in the street? So you can see here there is a street. Okay, so how many cars are they? Are there? Oh, are there 2? No, there are only 1 car. This is not a car, it's actually a bus, right? So where is the bus? This is a bus, the green one, and this is a car. Where is the bus? It's behind the car. Okay, so it's behind the car. These are correct. So let's move on with the questions. Number 1, who is pointing at the watermelons? So who do you think is pointing? Okay, pointing like this. Yeah, that is actually what you mean by pointing. right? Who do you think is pointing? Okay, with the watermelons. Okay, watermelon is this one. Watermelons. Okay, is the boy? Is it the boy or is it the woman? Maybe the mom. Who do you think? Yes, you're correct. It's actually, okay, it's actually the mom. Okay, she's pointing. So you can say the mom or the woman. Yeah, maybe we can just write woman because we're not really sure if she's a mom, right? But I think so. But it's better to just say woman. Okay. Let me write it here like this. So you will say it's the okay, woman. It's the woman. All right. Okay, so we're done with that. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, here. Who is wearing glasses? Who is wearing glasses? Do you see anyone? Can you see anyone who's wearing glasses here? Yeah, okay. They're wearing on their eyes. Can you see? No one. Okay, so who's wearing glasses? I'm not really sure. Ah, okay. I can see it now. So it's not that very clear, but yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, this. Yeah, the woman here. And I think she is the seller. So you call her, she is a seller. So when you say seller, she's the one who's selling, right? She's selling the fruits. So she's the seller. Okay, number 3 question. Yeah, she's wearing glasses. Number 3, what has the boy got in his hand? All right, look at the boy. So he's on the ground, and what has he got on his hand? He got you're correct. I can see it, a fruit. And the name of the fruit is banana. So let us write it. It's a banana. Okay, let's move on. I hope it's clear. Let's go to number 4 question. What color is the cat? Can you see a cat here? Okay, this one, the cat, yeah. It's not very obvious, but there is a cat. It's white and yeah, it's actually black. So all we need to do is to write the word black. Black. And black and white, right? Okay, let's move on. What are the birds eating? Okay, the birds. Okay, so there are birds here. And what are they eating? Yeah, they're eating an apple. Yeah, I can see it. So they are eating an apple. Okay, so we're done here. Okay, this is actually the part 5 of our sample test. Let's review the questions. Who is pointing at the watermelons? Who is pointing? Point. Okay, you will point with your fingers. So the woman here, she's pointing the watermelons. Who is wearing glasses? Okay, the seller. When you say seller, he's the one who's selling. He's selling the fruits. What has the boy got in his hand? So he got a banana. He got a banana, right? What color is the car? The cat, I should say, the cat. Here, there's a cat, right? The seller is carrying the boy and the cat. So it's actually black and white. And what are the birds eating? So they are eating an apple. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of our reading and writing sample test. It's a guided test, so I hope you can also do that on your own at home. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, we have our speaking task. So here I want you to do this in the safety of your houses. So this is the task. It says here, name the objects on the picture, scene, and describe the scene. So home task, you can write your description on your notebooks and you can record a video while describing the picture scene. So you can describe it, okay, and you can take a video while describing. So this is a picture scene or a scene picture. So this is your task. I hope you do it at home. Okay, where do you think is this picture was taken? Okay, where is it? And what animals can you see in the picture? And what about the man? What do you think is he about to do in the picture? And the boy. So here I want you to make a story. All you need to do is to write your description on your notebooks. You have to describe the scene and you have to also name the objects. Name what you can see in the picture, right? Like for example, what is this? I can see chickens, right? I can see a hen, a mama chicken. So for example, I can also see a sleeping dog on the ground. Okay, that's it. So that's the end of our instructional video. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will all be ready on our next class. Okay, be safe at home. Okay, goodbye.